Hey, what's up, everybody? This is UD from 2 Equals 1. I want to share a little dish I've been making for over 30 years with you guys. I call it a chicken crumble. So you're going to need as much chicken as you like. I'm going to use 2 pounds today. You're going to need some cream of chicken soup, some Ritz crackers, and whatever seasoning you like. You don't have to do what I use. I use garlic, some of my other favorite seasonings. I'm not going to plug nobody. Pepper and salt. But what you want to do is you want to, of course, thaw your chicken out. Then you want to boil it. I like to season my water a little bit to give a little bit of flavor with it. I'm going to get back to you guys once it starts boiling. And then after it gets done boiling, I'm going to show you how I shred it and we'll go from there. All right? I'll see you then.
All right, it's coming to a nice boil at this point. You let it cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. Because it's going to continue cooking in the oven. We're not done, but we're getting close.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. Hey, I made a mistake on the last little part. I forgot to tell you you're going to need 2 whole sticks of butter as well. Don't forget that, but we'll get to that part. Swing the camera around here, baby. I want to let these guys see. So you're going to shred your chicken apart at this point with a fork. It'd be a lot easier. You want to get it as fine as possible. It's going to work out a lot better for you that way. You don't want big chunks in there because when you break it down, it all makes sense to you guys. So shred it as little as possible. All of this I got to shred. We're not going to show you everything. I'll get back to you when we get all this done, all right? Peace. All right. Now that your chicken is cooled, and I've shredded everything very well. Got it nice and shredded out. And yes, I've already washed my hands before anybody asks questions. So now you want to use your cream of chicken and your seasoning at this point to season it one more time. If you season it in the water, of course it comes off a little bit. So I'm going to hit it one more time with a little bit more pepper. With a little bit more garlic. And my other seasoning, I'm not going to give a shout out. Alright, now we're going to mix this all up in here with our hands. Get that seasoning all through there pretty good. Oh yeah, I see them rolling around. I'm smelling them rising up. Now, here's the other part. We're going to use the cream of chicken now. What I recommend is that you go light and not use all of this because you don't want it too soupy. You want it to be a little bit thick. And massage it in all through here. It's all over my fingers. But you massage it in very, very good. All right, guys, we're back. So you need a nice sized pan to put everything in. We're going to lay everything out now. So follow me. Grease your pan first. I would recommend that. Now, you smooth it out evenly over the pan. All right. After you've done that, you're going to need another large bowl. And this is where the Ritz and the butter comes into play. So, open them up. Take out a whole sleeve. And you're gonna need at least probably 2 to 3, depending on how coated you want your top. So I recommend opening it up and do the old accordion. Break them up inside as fine as you can. Fine as you can. You don't want big chunks in there. When I get them all grounded down, I'll get back at you guys and we'll melt the butter. Alright guys, zoom in babe. So right here, this is what your Ritz crackers should look something similar to, crushed up, looking very similar to that. Then you want to melt the 2 sticks of butter. I've already melted mine. I'm going to pour it in. As I'm pouring in, I'm going to stir and mix. This is what's going to give you a golden top and golden brown. Ooh, it's gonna be so bomb on top of there, boy. It's gonna be all caramelized. You're gonna need some more butter. Pour it in, stir it up, yep. Right there, get that kid over there on that side. Get you too. I don't want to leave you out. Alright. Stir it up real good. Get that butter mixed up in there real good. Alright. After you've achieved that, now here comes the fun part. You're going to shake it on. Alright. Now that we've got that, now you smooth it out all over. Alright. Then you're going to put it in the oven for another 20 minutes on 400 and check it in 20 minutes later. Make sure it's brown. I'll see you then. Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes. As you see, it should look just like this, nice and golden brown. It's time to dig in. Enjoy guys. Hit me in the comments. Peace.